Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your rear spoiler off of your Nissan Z. Alright, so for removing the rear spoiler off of the Z, first things first is you're going to unlock the hatch, pop this up, and we have it on jack stand, so I'm not going to let it go all the way up right now because then it's going to be hard to reach, but you're going to see four plastic covers right here, or rubber covers. We're just going to get a little pry tool under here, get all four of those out. And then under these four covers, you're going to find four 10mm nuts. Come in. Alright, so once we get the four nuts off of there, we're going to have some double-sided sticky tape on here. Let's get a little pry tool under here. I'm not going to pry off of the trunk right now. I'm just getting a little bit of better leverage. We are going to have double-sided sticky tape across the whole front side of this. So if you have a razor blade, just relieving a little bit. We'll work our way around, and I'm not dragging the razor on the paint, just on the wing itself between the double-sided tape. And if you look under the back side of it, you can actually tell where it's getting stuck at. And now we have enough leverage on here. Should be able to work our way around. Alright, and that is how you remove your rear spoiler off of your Nissan Z.